Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So students, we are learning about our universe, right? In that we had learned in our last class about the galaxies and the constellation. Now continue our class with the planets. So in planets we had learned about that the sun has 8 planets, right? So let's continue our class. So the planets are non-luminous bodies. Planets क्या है? They are the non-luminous bodies. This means they have no light of their own. मतलब उनकी own light नहीं होती है planets की. They reflect the light of the sun. Some planets have their own natural satellites or moons revolving around them. Our moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. और moon जो है हमारी earth का natural क्या है वो? Satellite है. Okay, some planets, our moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. So the new moons of the other planets are being discovered all the time by space probes. Jupiter has 67 known moons. Jupiter के जो है कितने moons है total? 67 moons. And the Saturn has 62 moons. Saturn के जो है total 62 moons है. According to the latest count, तो जुपिटर और सैटर्न के जो मून्स हैं वो according to the latest count. Only the Mercury and the Venus do not have satellites or the moons. Mercury and Venus इन दोनों के जो है मून्स और सैटेलाइट्स नहीं हैं. The sun, its planets, their satellites or moons and the asteroids form the solar system. ये सारे मिलके क्या है? सोलर सिस्टम को फॉर्म करते हैं. Now we'll go for the animation. We'll continue our class with animation only. Watch an animation of this.
Our universe, the earth and the sky. A group of stars forming a pattern is called a constellation. There are many constellations in the Milky Way galaxy, and there are many such galaxies in the universe. The solar system is made of the sun, the 8 planets, and their moons. These planets are non-luminous and have no light of their own. Thus they reflect the sun's light. They are held in place by the gravitational pull of the sun. Metallic rocky bodies called asteroids also make up the solar system. Earth, the 3rd planet from the sun, is ideally located. It is about 150 million kilometers from the sun. The temperature is just right. If the earth was nearer the sun, it would get scorching hot. If it was farther away, it would be freezing. There would be no life without warmth of the sun. There is air and water also on earth. All make earth a unique planet. They make life possible on earth. The earth rotates on its fixed axis. This causes day and night. Since it is a sphere, only one side of the earth gets sunlight, which leads to day. The other side has night. Since the earth rotates from west to east, the sun seems to rise in the east. The sun is actually stationary. It is the earth that moves. The earth revolves around the sun continuously. A period of complete revolution marks one single year. This revolution causes seasons. Places closer to the equator get the maximum heat, while those away get the least.
Seasons are caused because of the revolution of the earth around the sun and combined with the title of the axis of the earth. Okay, so these are the seasons.
Earth